I'm Mrs. Mills, and I'm here to share with you one of my favorite simple peanut butter cookie recipes. All you need is 3 simple ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar or granulated sugar, and 1 egg. All you do is you take your peanut butter, and you can either use smooth or creamy. I have smooth peanut butter here today. And 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. If you use brown sugar, you have to pack it. If you use granulated sugar, you don't. You just measure it out. Sometimes pack it gets stuck. And 1 egg. And those are your simple, easy ingredients. Now you mix it in, and mix it until it's well incorporated. You don't need a mixer for this. Perfect. Now you're going to need a cookie sheet. You can use any pan that you use to bake cookies or pizza pan if you have it. I have parchment paper on this, but if you don't have paper, you can just lightly grease your pan. And I have a cookie scoop, but if you don't have a cookie scoop, you can use a teaspoon. It doesn't matter, whatever tools that you use to scoop out cookies. And I'm just going to scoop out my cookies just like this. And I'm going to put around 15 cookies on my pan. Now, some people like to put chocolate chips on their cookies, in their peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to make some without chocolate chips, and I'll make some with chocolate chips. Now, the last part, you take a fork and some regular white sugar. These cookies are going to not flatten on their own. You're going to have to help them out. So you just take your fork and you dip your fork in regular sugar and you flatten the cookies out with your fork, just like a traditional peanut butter cookie. You take the fork and you cross it 2 times this way and 2 times that way. Otherwise your cookies won't flatten. Now, the trick is, like everyone is going to be excited about hurrying up and eating a hot peanut butter cookie, the trick is, they'll bake for 10 minutes in a 350-degree oven. The trick is to not eat the hot ones right off the pan. They have to cool on the pan for about 5 minutes, otherwise they'll crumble. And that's what the finished product looks like.